Yes. Kaya dia sa atin.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do part 2 early because other one is so long, so you need to find the part 2. Okay. So we're gonna find it. How much? For Phoenix 160H. How much? 280M. Let's see. Who will? Set 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.
Ang decision parang sa client is an alcohol.
After!
Siya ang decision. Ang pera. Where might it
3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Bang! I won. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.
Kaya na dito sa class, ito, papas ito. Yung flight din, portal sa ano yan, sa south. Sa south yan. Sa wala.
Bang! I win. Let's go. Fight the rain. I think he's so strong. Okay. Let's see. Who will win?
Gusto mo yung portal ng
3, 2, 1, shoot.
south.
Oh.
Located sa South Harbor.
Extreme finish! Extreme finish! Last warning! Shoot! Finisher! Oh, it's over! It's over! Finish! Down! 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry, Phoenix! Roll for me! Bang! Roll to me! It's a finish! Yeah, I don't care. Thank you so much. Oh, I think he's so stronger. Sorry, parents. 160 each. A road. These are for A to B. Let's see who will win. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.
Tapos dapat ang pera mo sa bangko is meron kang 5 million. Pass ko kasi si Kuya Michael mo
200,000 for the first year and 50 for the succeeding years and 50 for
Whoa! He's actually strong.
50,000. Kaya parang
Okay, let's be serious.
plus the succeeding year na 50, kaya 250 pang apan meditation. Tapos pag basta parang parang
doon pa sa...
Tara, bili tayo.
Doon kasi nakikita, home legit kami importer.
So, let's go buy.
Kaya yung mga house na ano dyan, talagang si
So, our
Amo,
Phoenix, right? Let me see.
talagang hindi lang si Amo, talagang kasya. Talagang mga sila na sinaplayer ko tawagin. Talagang yun yung ginagawa. Yun yung matatawag na lahat ng mga importer tawagin.
Mostly ng performance ban.
Yan. So, dyan kasi makikita kung legit talaga.
Kumbaga ito namang ban is security ban
This
siya.
one, right?
Kumbaga hindi naman totally 5 million. Parang nani natin sa track, diba? Parang
Yung hindi ka
na-
basta-basta mawawala. Ano? Pwede yung kasi di ka nila dyan. Kasi sa sito.
This
Wala
our
ka.
Phoenix. Oh,
Alam.
man.
Bakit hindi mo nawala sa sito? Yun, yung sa sito. Yung nga, nabigit-bigat yun.
Oh, God.
Yung mga
On the back? I didn't see that.
Ang parating naman, diba?
Fish me rock.
Pwede ko ulit. Ang parating naman.
Syndicat talaga yun. Syndicat.
That's what I thought.
Ayaw.
Ayun,
Okay, guys. So, this is the end.
Pero tama ko yun.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.